Storm in Hamilton, Canada. Stay inside your house. The street is so flooding. I wish I could show it to you, but I can't, because I'm not allowed to show you my road, my mom said. But it is a lightning storm in Hamilton, Canada. Do not get out of your house. The street is flooded. I should have showed you the rest of it, but I tried so many times and it just kept, and I kept accidentally showing the buildings. But I'm good now. But everything is flooded. My pants are wet. My tablet is getting wet. Oh my god, wait for a second, I have to dry it off. You saw that flash, right guys? There is no escape. Oh, the street is so flooded. Oh my god, it is raining so much. I am getting so wet. The ground is gone. There is nothing but a lake. I repeat, Perkins from SpongeBob. Well, this is gonna look like SpongeBob if the rain doesn't stop. Get it? It's gonna be the sea. Whatever. I don't have to explain myself. It's so wet, and it's so cold. Boom, boom, boom. I can take boom. All I ever wanted. Oh, whoa, you saw that. You saw that right here, folks. So I have to wipe my tablet again. It's so... Oh, it's so wet. Oh, here. It's so wet. Everything. The screen is becoming fluffy because I don't have a waterproof case. It's so wet. I repeat, it is so wet. I'm just gonna leave you in awkward silence where you can hear the thunderstorm. I wish I could show you. But I also saw somebody like slip on the water, and he just fell right onto our road. That's how wet it is. You can slip on it like ice. That's how wet it is. It's like ice wet, and because it's so cold. And I wish I could be inside, but I'm out here filming the stupid rainstorm / flood. Did you just hear screaming? I want to go inside so bad, but I'm doing this for you guys. This is content. This is content. Did you know that the scariest video on YouTube is the catacombs? Go check out the catacombs, not sponsored. It is so... What, do you see? Those cars are driving on a lake. Oh my god, I wish that I could show you the road right now. I wish. But the road is a lake. It's a lake, I swear. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you know how, like, the sidewalk is bigger than the road? It has that bump. It is overflowing. It is overflowing. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Hi, Mom. I made it to all 5 minutes without showing anything. A whole 5 minutes. I'm recording the lightning storm. Oh my god, my lenses are wet. Did you just hear Siren Head? Wait, is that Siren Head? Oh, Rowan, my sister is in her pajamas.
Yes, with snow. See? I have no cast on.
My sister broke her arm and she needs a cast, but she has no cast on anymore. Her arm healed, but that's a story for another day. I'll make a video about that right after that. Right after this, I'm going to make a video about my sister's broken arm. So go check out that video after I'm done making this video.
Wow, I saw a lightning storm.
Subscribe. Yep, of course, there's a lightning storm. What do you think I am recording? Ah, that's my eye. I literally got a chunk of lightning inside of my eyeball. Rowan, you can't be in the camera. I'm not allowed to show my face, or your face, or the unicorn's face. Is that the police? The police are coming to deal with this storm. There's like a taxi, and there's a car breaking down, and oh my god, no. Pain. Oh, I feel, there's something on my eye. I'm just gonna cry. So I'm not sad, I'm just trying to get the thing out.
You guys seriously just gonna sit out here in the rain?
And record the thunderstorm. Don't forget about recording the thunderstorm.
What is that?
Stay in your house. It's starting to calm down. But the road is flooded, boy. Whoa, that was a flash. You guys saw that, right? My poor effing eyeball. My poor fluffy, yummy chocolate milk, because I love chocolate milk. This video is sponsored by Chocolate Milk. No specific company, because they all taste good. There's probably one company that doesn't taste good with chocolate milk, but we're not going to talk about you. I'll stab you. Do you see that gray cloud? You saw that right there. Some people all around the survey are closing their doors to this awful thunderstorm. What do you have to say about this, Mrs. Little Sister? Say something.
My story, and I have a broken arm.
No, talk about the thunderstorm.
It's fun. Hit you.
Thank you, little sister Perkins. It's so cold. I have goosebumps. It is beginning to be a wild thunderstorm again. Once again. The thunderstorm is getting worse now. It began to get better, but now it is seeming to get worse as the floods are getting higher. Just after they shrank, the clouds are getting darker, and it does not look like it's going to be a pleasant day for the Canadians. But, Canadians have crazy stuff, crazy weather. Like, we have our milk inside of bags. But that doesn't sound weird because I'm a Canadian. It probably sounds weird to all you Americans watching who don't put your milk in bags. You are so weird. But, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. It's probably weird to put your milk inside of a bag. It's just less wasteful. But it's probably weird to put your milk inside of a bag to you Americans. So just like the video if you're an American, and if you're a Canadian, like the video. And if you're any other kind of thing in the whole wide world, like and subscribe. Okay. But you can also subscribe if you're an American or a Canadian. I don't care. Please actually do it. It's not asking. It's begging. I see the lightning is getting harder. The lightning is beginning to... You hear the lightning more. I seen the lightning, but I wasn't recording that, so I am sorry to all you guys. Oh, I have to go to the bathroom, but I have to record it unless something interesting happens. So, oh my god, I have to go pee. Is that a tornado siren? Is there a tornado? Did you guys hear that? That sounded like a tornado siren. Jesus. We have a flood, a thunderstorm, and a tornado. Oh, I saw a sandstorm, but I didn't think it was a tornado. I'm so calm about this. Why am I acting so chill? Just like, hey, yo, there's a tornado. I didn't think that. I just thought it was a sand. I'm acting so chill about this. There's a tornado. Crazy thunderstorm. Hamilton, Canada thunderstorm. Oh! This did that 5 times in a row. Did you guys hear that? It was like 5 times in a row. Come back. Little sister, come back here. You're my cool little sister. I have to come in?
Yep.
I'm going to have to end the video here, folks.